Hi, I welcome you today to my honorable channel. So today let's talk about BLUM as a Telegram mining bot. You see, this project is very unique in its own way, and I've been telling my subscribers, my downliners, my Telegram community members, no one should ever joke with this very project. You see, among all the Telegram mining bots, BLUM is the only one that limited their invitation slots to only 5 people, and later they increased it to I think 10 or so. Also, it's a project backed by Binance Labs. You can see even mining is it's not as easy as the rest, right? So today I want to guide you, hold your hand, show you in app. I'm talking about insight, give you insight about this very project and how you can maximize your earning. You know, mining BLUM isn't going to take that long, and if you don't act quick, if you are not fast, time and tide, as you know, it doesn't wait for no man, and making money in this crypto space always comes with smartness, right? So ride with me. As usual, I created this very account for the Crypto Fountain Academy. Trust me, there's going to be a giveaway. I won't mention it now. So if today happens to be your first time coming across my content or any content on my channel, please consider subscribing, like the video, also drop a comment. So whenever I drop a new video, you will be notified. So this is the very interface you see when you should open your BLUM account or your BLUM mining app, and that's why I'm making this very video. So without much ado, let's dive in. When you open the app, as I already said, we are going to talk about how you can maximize your earnings, right? So if you should open your app first, let me show you this guy here. Let me show you this. All you have to do as a newcomer or as a person who just registered his account is to click on task, right? So let's click on task and let's see what will happen. One happy thing is if you are able to accumulate 1,000 BLUM points. I'm not talking about points you get from um the other task, but the very coins you will be mining. When you reach 1,000, you'll be getting 150 BLUM points. And remember, these ones that you are accumulating in this app isn't the token or the coin itself. Trust me, these are points which will be converted, and we don't know the ratio with which it will be used to convert the token. So why don't you be smart? Why don't you ride with what I'm about to show you today and then accumulate more as you can. So when the coin is listed, you stand a chance to cash out just like we did with not coins. As you already know, cryptocurrency is a lucrative venture. You are only doing this for free just with your mobile phone, your internet connection and only a Telegram account. So who don't like this? I hope you like money just like myself. So let's ride in. So when you should come to the task section, as you can see, I've already performed my own and then claimed all. So when you come here, you will see a go button or a start button here. You see these sections, right? These are all tasks you can perform to earn additional points to the ones you'll be mining. So number one is saying thank you BPS. You just click on it. I think it will take you to Twitter or so. You repost a write-up and then you gain your points. The second one is saying subscribe to BLUM Telegram, right? So you click on it, it will send you to their Telegram channel or group. So you just have to click on join. You click on join and then you get your points. If you should go to the next task, it will take you straight to their Instagram, right? Their Instagram account. All you have to do is to follow them. The next one will take you to their Twitter account. You follow them, you come back, you will see a claim button. I'm talking about this section. I'm taking my time to show you all these stuffs, right? So at the end, you are not going to regret, right? So the task section is one portion where you can accumulate some points. So after that, let's move on to the next section, which is please don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, don't forget to share to your downliners so they won't be left behind, right? So you click on the friends icon, right? You click on the friends icon and let's see what's going to happen here. I'm sure you see guys, I love you so much. Being my subscribers, I won't love to see you fail in this crypto space, right? So this is where you can invite your friends. So let me show you something here. Let me show you something here. Look at this section, right? They say score 10% from buddies and then 2.5% from their referrals. Get a gem play pass for each friend, right? I'll show you what the gem, or you see that icon. I'm talking about this. I'll show you what it is later. So if you invite any person, provided the person mines 1,000 BLUM points, you are going to be rewarded with 100. Listen, it's not going to be deducted from the person's account, but you will be rewarded by the system itself, right? So take that from me. And if that person should also invite someone, if the person should mine, let's say 1,000, you are going to receive, I think, 25, which isn't a bad deal. And how are you going to be claiming those benefits? You see this section which is showing claim in the next 3 hours 58 minutes. You open it and you will see it will be highlighted provided your friends have performed task, mine the coins and all those tabs. So you just have to click that place and then you accumulate the points. So I've already shown you the task section, right? The task section. I've also shown you the friends section. So as you can see, I've invited 3 friends using this very account and I still have 2 invites left. So I'll drop the link in the comment section. If you are not already mining, go to the channel. There's a tutorial video which will guide you on how to create an account. As usual, it's only a bot, so you just have to open it, but before then make sure you have a Telegram account. It will take you to Telegram. You click on start and then you launch the app. Now let's go home. Let's go to this home button and then I'll show you something there. I'm only teaching you how you can accumulate more points before the D-Day, right? As I've already told you, recently, BLUM was even selected by Binance Labs as one of the outstanding crypto standout projects, and you know what that means, right? And even there's a competition going on which was organized by Binance Labs, I think between some 7 crypto projects, and trust me, BLUM is leading. So if you joke with any project, as I already said, then it shouldn't be BLUM, right? Come to the home section. There are also 2 ways through which you can be mining this sexy coin, and let me show you them. First, you have to click on farming. As you can see, I've already clicked mine. It has farmed, I think, 29.7 plus BLUM points for me, right? And after 3 hours 52 minutes, if I should open it, I will see claim button there and then I'll just have to claim it. And now the main deal is here. Play. You can see play, and I also have 6 drop game. That is the main mining option, right? So for now I have 6 chances to play a game, so I'm going to show you how you can play this game and also accumulate some points for your humble selves. So without much ado, I'll just have to click on play, right? Okay, you see these stars falling. You just have to be tapping them. You see, you need to be fast because each one of them you are able to touch will give you, I think, 1 point, right? So you need to be fast. You only have 30 seconds for each game, and you don't have to joke with this stuff. Every morning, every brand new day, when you open it, you will get a chance to play. You exhaust them all. As you can see, I was able to, I think, accumulate 68. So this 68 will be added to the points I already have. Now I still have 5 chances left. I can still click on play, and this time around I'm not going to be talking while playing. I need to be fast, right? I'm doing this live for you to see. You see how much I cherish you as my subscriber, right? Okay, so you can see how it's going. It took a bit longer time to load, and then oh my god, telegram will misbehave. So guys, that is how it is. You play this game and also accumulate some points for your humble selves, right? So let me go back. You can see I now have, oh my god, telegram, I now have 2575 BLUM points. So guys, open your apps. Don't joke with BLUM. Go to the friends section. Make sure all your 5 slots are exhausted. It's there for nothing for you to accumulate more points. Go to the task section. Perform all the tasks, right? Come to the home section. Click on farming. Also play the game, and you'll be good to go. It's not any difficult task. See you another time with another incredible video or another update. I'm out.